Do you think, after your years of experience now, do you think that price is a good thing to compete on? You know,
No.
having the best price, is that a mistake?
So I think that there's different markets that you can choose to go after, and then I think that you need to build the business model around what you're trying to do, right? If you're going to be the low cost option, then you need to understand that you're going to have lower margins, and so you're going to have to sell a lot more, right? Whereas if you're kind of middle price range, then maybe you could sell middle amounts and honestly still have kind of the same. Or if you're premium, then you might sell less, but you'll have more margin on each.
Yeah.
And then I think it's appropriate to build the business around those. So like the business that I'm in right now is more of a premium bowl of fruit, right? Everbowl. And so a lot of times people are like, hey, your price point, $8 for a bowl, that's kind of high. And I look at it, yes, if you're comparing it to ice cream, we're a little bit higher. If you wanted to go buy an orange leaf or something like that for $5 and a bowl of sugar. But if you consider it with all other meal replacement options for lunchtime, if you could have a bowl and a drink for $10, then that's a very fair price. And so I think it's just really intentional to make sure that you understand who you're competing and who your ideal customer is. And, in what we're doing right now, if we were to cut our quality in goods or in service or in toppings or things like that, then it wouldn't meet the brand level that we're going with. So I think as you're building out businesses, making sure that the service and the quality that you're given is proportional to the business model that you're building it around.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.